Hi, I'm Nicolas, leader of creative services in Buenos Aires, and I would like to show you how to create a mixed reality prototype with Quest 2. Let's think about the future of streaming services. As any project, everything starts with an idea, or probably several ideas. So let's do a brainstorming first. We know that there are some features that will be mandatory, like having a menu that allows us to search, play, select the languages. But let's be a little more creative. This is the moment. I would like to remove all the screens, no TV necessary with mixed reality, no remote control. Let's think about a cinema mode, or even better, an immersive mode. And nothing is really good if we cannot share it with family or friends, right? We can now start to prioritize our ideas. What will give us more effort and produce more impact? This will give us a clue from where to start our design. I suggest the brown box technique. This consists on using real-life elements to do a first approach to the experience. In this case, I will use a real-life whiteboard to draw the menu that I'm going to recreate later in virtual reality. Now, let's do our first test. Imagine arriving at your home tired from work on Friday night. You just want to sit in your sofa and watch a movie or your favorite TV show. You won't even need to look for a remote controller. A menu is displayed in front of you and allows you to select what you want. Okay, let's go to the moment that everyone is expecting, using the Quest. I'm going to show you the app Shapes XR that is the best for quick prototyping immersive experiences. This is the main menu, and we have a lot of tutorials. The app provides us with many environments, stages and templates to start. I selected some home with a living room and a sofa. Okay, here we are. On our left hand we will find everything we need. Selection tools, several shapes, many icons and 3D objects to play around, humans in different positions. Even we can import our own images and 3D objects. For this project I will use an sphere with a photograph inside. We have freehand drawing and text tools also. So now let's start prototyping our experience. Create the interactions and the different features. Shapes XR works as a storyboarding tool that allows us to create different screens to see how it's going to be the user flow. When we have the final result, we can test it using the pass-through cameras to see how it will look, or even export it to Unity and do the development of the model. Well, here we are. We have the final prototype. I have just arrived home, so I sit on the sofa and see a menu that allows me to select the streaming services that I want. Okay, let's see La Casa de Papel. I like this show. Let's hide the menu for a moment. I want to see more info about this show and the actors. It would have much more sense if I could share the experience. Oh, Steve is online. Let's call him. Hi, what are you doing? Why don't we turn on the cinema mode? This will make the room darker and the sound better and the screen in the whole wall. Oh, you're welcome, Steve. Let's activate the immersive mode.
Quiero proponerte un negocio, un atraco singular. Porque no vamos a robar el dinero de nadie.
¿Qué vamos a robar?
Okay, this was prototyping in the air. I hope you like it and see you next time.